Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta po kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago po kayo rito, welcome din po kayo and thank you po sa inyong suporta. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tingnan po natin ang mga messages ninyo for the next 3 months po. No? October, November, and December. Kukuha muna tayo ng mga cards nang sa gayon tuloy-tuloy na lang tayong magbasa, no? Na-pre-shuffle ko na po itong mga cards kanina before the reading. Pasensya naman sa mga sasakyang dumadaan. Ako, napaka-busy na naman dito sa amin. So, ayun. This is December, this is November, and this is for October. Ayan. So, paunang mensahe ninyo is the Temperance energy. Virgo, kailangan ninyo dito ng pasensya, no? Iba yung pasensya. Ang kailangan ninyo around this time in October dahil maraming bagay dito ang siguro hinihintay ninyo, matagal na ninyong hinihintay, but maaaring hindi pa rin nangyayari, hindi pa rin dumadating. But you know what? Just keep your patience, no? Alive dito. Practice more patience because it will come. Kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay, it will come in God's perfect timing, no? Alalahanin natin na hindi naman nangyayari ang mga bagay, 'di ba, na gusto natin sa timeline na gusto natin or sa pagkakataon or sa form na gusto natin, no? Everything is in divine timing. Everything is according to the divine order and timing, no? Kaya ano lang muna tayo, kalma muna tayo, no? Virgo, kalma lang at saka magpasensya, keep your composure dahil kung ano man yan, you know, it will come. Okay? It will come. Listen also, napakahalaga around this time in October na you keep listening to divine guidance, no? Because there is angelic assistance dito, there is angelic guidance then present sa buhay ninyo around this time. Kaya pakinggan ninyo mga gabay nila because it will lead you to what you need to do, no? While you are waiting or where you need to go while you are waiting, no? So what else? We have freedom. Ayan, malaya, no? Kayo Virgo. Lalaya na kayo sa ngayon. Maaring yung paglaya na yan is siguro in the past, no, may mga restrictions around you, no, or sa buhay ninyo. Maaring someone is restricting you to do something, or maybe may mga hindi kayo nagagawa, gusto ninyong gawin pero hindi ninyo magawa dahil restricted kayo of your situation, no? Maaring may sitwasyon kayo na yun ang pumipigil para gawin ninyo kung ano ang gusto ninyo, no? Kaya, pero ngayon, no, around October, you will have that freedom already, no? Meron kayong kalayaan ngayon na gawin, isipin, no, pagdesisyonan ang gusto ninyong gawin para sa sarili ninyo. So you are reclaiming your freedom. Ngayon, you'd be able to to freely spread your wings and fly, no? Yun ang ganap dito sa inyo, Virgo. We have faraway places. Get ready for new horizons. Ayan, kasabay ng paglaya ninyo, no, sa mga restrictions sa buhay ninyo, there may be new horizons that are opening up for you. Maaring maraming opportunities din ito para sa inyo, Virgo, no? New opportunities and new possibilities sa iba't ibang parte ng buhay ninyo, maaring magbukas dito kasabay ng iyong freedom. So that's really beautiful. For others of you dito, Virgo, maaring may travel, ano? Some of you may be going to travel over water dito. Maaring seafarer ang iba sa inyo dito. Maaring ang travel na din ito is related sa inyong negosyo. Maari din ganon ang ganap. So, what else? May malayo ang pupuntahan ninyo dito, no, Virgo? We also have the Hermit. Ayan, this is your energy. Virgo, this is your energy. So, you may need dito to put yourself into solitude. No? You may need to put yourself into stillness nang sa gayon, you know, makapagmuni-muni kayo, makapag-isip-isip kayo. You can reconnect with your soul, with your higher consciousness dito. Kasi siguro, sa dami ng inyong ginagawa, siguro in the past or recently, Virgo, you really don't have time time as well to to connect with yourself, no? Parang wala din kayong panahon talaga na mag-meditate, maaring wala kayong panahon para magpahinga, no? Kaya ito, maaring this is inviting you to put yourself in solitude and step back a little from what is taking your energy and your attention, para naman magpahinga naman kayo. So, maaring kailangan nyo lang mag-recharge, no? Kaya ganun ang invitation sa inyo. We have Two of Cups in November. Ayan, so this is November. There are partnerships coming in, no? Maaring yung partnership na to is in business. Maari din na that is work-related na partnership. Kasi meron tayong faraway places. May new opportunities and possibilities na magbubukas or dadating sa buhay ninyo ngayon. And maaaring isa sa mga oportunidad na yan is for collaboration, for partnership sa kung ano man ang inyong balak gawin or dati nang ginagawa, no? Virgo, maaari din na this is partnership and friendship, no? Maaari din may makilala kayong bagong kaibigan dito. Maaari din na this is new love connection, new love interest. Maaring meron dito nagkakagusto sa'yo. Maybe someone is going to ask you out dito, makipag-date, mga ganon, no? If you are single. So, maaring may ganon, ganap mo. Maaring merong papasok sa bagong love and romantic relationship dito for some of you, Virgo. Okay? Stillness, ayan, ganun pa rin, ganun pa rin. May hermit energy tayo, pagpapahinga, pag-iisa, pag-spend time alone. And around November, ganun pa rin. Continuous ang energy ng hermit, no? Sa buhay ninyo, Virgo. You are also being invited here to put yourself into stillness at some point in November. Alam mo, Virgo, sa lahat ng almost all the signs na, no, meron ganitong energy. So maybe talaga that has a planetary influence dito sa buong sa collective, no? Na kailangan towards the end of the year may panahon tayo na magpahinga, may panahon tayo na mag-recharge, may panahon tayo na mag-meditate because maybe the universe is preparing us for 2024, preparing us for what is coming towards us in 2024, no? So, yun, wag masyadong magpakapagod, no? Wag masyadong magpakapagod. Focus on your well-being as well. Magpahinga, mag-recharge, mag-recuperate, mag-meditate, mag-prayer mode, make time for those, no? Kahit gaano kayo ka-busy, Virgo, make sure that you find time for your well-being, for taking care of yourself, okay? So, we also have valiant courage, take action with passion. Ayan. So, maybe, maari ding may mga kayo around November, maaring may mga naiisip kayong plans na gusto ninyong simulan, gawin around November, no? And, yun, take action, no? Take action but with passion, no? Maari din na yung mga plans na ito ninyo may need your courage, may need your inner strength because siguro bago ito sa inyo, Virgo. Kung ano man ang balak ninyong gawin around November, maybe this is all new to you, this is uncharted territory for you, kaya maybe kailangan niyo dito ng lakas ng loob, no? But you need to take action, no, before it slips away from you, no, kung ano man ang opportunity na ito. So we have 9 of Pentacles. Wow, napakaganda, no? Chillen lang si Virgo. Around November, Virgo, ang daming perang parating dito sa inyo, no? You will be surrounded with wealth. You will be surrounded with prosperity in abundance, and you will be given that opportunity, para ma-enjoy ninyo, ma-savor ninyo ang bunga ng inyong pinaghirapan, no? This is kaperahan na parating sa inyo na bunga ng inyong paghihirap, pagsisikap, pagtsatsaga sa trabaho, negosyo, mga ganon. So, entitled kayo para magsaya. Entitled kayo para i-celebrate yan, na tagumpay ninyo dito sa inyong trabaho or negosyo. Look at that. Empress energy. Napakaganda. This is another prosperity and abundant energy and very, very nurturing din ito, Virgo. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo is becoming a mom, no? In December. Maaring merong manganganak dito or maaring magbubuntes, no? In December. So, that's really beautiful. Congratulations kung isa kayo dyan or maaring asawa ninyo or girlfriend ninyo, no? Ang magkakaroon na ng baby. So, for others of you naman, Virgo, this is financial opportunities or financial blessings na maaring dumating sa inyo around December. So, napakaganda, diba? Na magsisimula kayo ng bagong trabaho, magsisimula kayo ng extra pagkakakitaan, or bagong negosyo, yung ganon towards the end of the year. Para pagpasok ng 2024, diba? Bonggang-bongga kayo. Kung parang kahit pa paano nakapagsimula na kayo at papalaguin nyo na lang, no, pagdating ng bagong taon. So, we also have abundance. So, speaking of abundance, speaking of prosperity and wealth dito sa Nine of Pentacles, and look at that. Abundance, we have two abundance and prosperity energy in December. Nanggagaling tayo sa prosperity and abundance energy din from November. So, parang it's gaining momentum, no? Yung abundance and prosperity ninyo is gaining momentum from this, November towards December. So, definitely, maraming blessings ang parating sa inyo dito financially, no? Virgo, maraming pera ang parating. This is a time of plenty. This is a time of bounty sa inyo. Talaga, mai-enjoy ninyo dito yung kaluwagan sa pera, Virgo. So, you deserve it kasi you work so hard all these years, no? And ngayon, at least dito sa buwan ng Disyembre, no? Sa taong 2023, you are going to enjoy naman, 'di ba? The fruit of your labor, yung blessings, yung grace na manggagaling sa divine universe. That's really beautiful. Ayan, answering the call. Ayan, the time is now. You know what? Ang na-pick up ko dito, ngayon talaga yung panahon para i-enjoy ninyo yung abundance and prosperity, no? Because you've worked so hard, Virgo. You worked so hard for this, 'di ba? Kaya ito na yon. The time is now na talaga namang ma-enjoy ninyo kung ano ang deserve ninyo. And you deserve this. You deserve financial success, financial comfort, financial freedom, no? So, ito na yon, ang mga blessings na parating sa inyo, Virgo. So, that's really beautiful. So, what else? Final message for Virgo. We have 8 of Wands. Wow, napakaganda. 8 of Wands. Virgo, these are wonderful opportunities coming in sa buhay ninyo. See, hindi talaga natatapos ang biyaya sa inyo towards the end of the year. Napakaganda ng energies ninyo, Virgo. 8 of Wands is a fast-moving energy. Kaya, maaring may mga hinihintay kayo, siguro, na mga bagay na kaitagal na ninyong hinihintay, ang tagal ng mga proseso, ang tagal ng galawan ng kung ano-ano man ang pinoproseso ninyo siguro, mga papeles, kung ano, mga claims, mga ganon. But you know what? Around December, maaring makuha nyo na yan, no? Maaring umandar ng muli or maaring dumating na kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay, Virgo. So, good luck to that, no? I-claim na natin yan at i-attract natin ang energy na yan. Nang sa gayon, ma-enjoy na natin talaga, no? Kung ano man ang inyong hinihintay. And, maari din na mga financial opportunities pa rin ang parating dito, no? You're going to, make it grow. You're going to make it thrive. Yun ang mga bagay na parating sa inyo. Talagang pagsisikapan ninyong pagtagumpayan ninyo yan, mapatubo ninyo, maparami kung ano man yan, no? So, it feels like to me that those are financial opportunities. There are also travel dito, no, Virgo? There is also travel. Maaring yung travel na to biglaan, no? Maaring hindi ito nakaplano. Maaring bigla-biglang dadating ang pagkakataon na kailangan ninyong bumiyahe, kaya babiyahe kayo dito for some of you, no? So, good luck. And Virgo, that's all I have for you for the next 3 months. I hope nakatulong ang mga mensaheng ito in some way. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.